Hello. So today we have a iPhone 11 Pro Max that had a Wi-Fi issue. So let's check the Wi-Fi. So look, if you look and see the Wi-Fi address is gone. So there is something wrong with the Wi-Fi chip. And you go Wi-Fi, it's not working. Even the Bluetooth is not working. So the phone doesn't seem to have any physical damage. Oh, this is not the original backplate. So yeah, the phone may be dropped. So let's open up and take a look. So we're gonna put on the logic board on the hot plate to separate the logic board out, and so we can test the Wi-Fi IC. Put some heat around it. Yeah, all the pins look good. So this is the Wi-Fi IC right here. So we need to check on this Wi-Fi IC to see what's wrong with it. So this one was dropped, so it could be just maybe the separation between the board, logic board. So let's inspect the top board. This top board looks normal as well. So let's see if we can test this. Okay, so we put the logic board onto the testing platform, and basically you want to see if there's a Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi button is not gray out. If it's gray out, we need to replace the Wi-Fi IC, which means bad. Okay. So now we have Wi-Fi connected. The button is not gray out anymore. So basically, this tells us that the phone is rebooting. So this tells us this phone was dropped, and it separated the top board from the bottom board. There's no Wi-Fi connection, so basically all we need to do is just reball the board and put it back together, and it should work fine. Let's turn it up. So this is one easy method to see if, what kind of issue with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so we need to clean out the old solder, and we're gonna reball it with the new one. Yeah. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes already, so it should fuse with the top port by now. So let's turn it off. And let it cool down for a little bit. Okay, it's been cooling down for about 5 minutes, right? So let's take out the board. So fuse the board back. So now put the board back into the housing and start. We can start testing. Okay, we have Wi-Fi now. So Wi-Fi is not gray out anymore. Can I detect the network now? Everything looks good. Check for Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on as well. It's working fine. So basically this one was dropped. So basically we have to reball it and then put it together, and it works fine. So I see this the screen is cracked from here. Took a bit of effort to align the board together to fix it. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you haven't done so. So see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.